Let's talk about tires and safety on the road. As you can see, this tire just came off a vehicle we had in the shop. If you can see, it's into the cords, ready to give up. Plus, it's down to the wear indicators, which means it's down to 2/32. You hit some water with this tire, the car is going to go whatever direction it wants to. This tire next to it just came in, so the tread's not bad. If you take this quarter and stick it in there, once you can see the president's head, it's down to 2/32 and the tire's unsafe. But in this case, this tire has a nail in the sidewall, and we can no longer repair a tire that's anywhere close to the sidewall. Now here we've got a good tire. If you notice, the stripes are still in good shape. It's brand new. So this will actually help take the water away from the tire. So if you happen to get into a rainstorm in Arizona, you'll be able to grab the road because the water will be pushed to the side. Any questions about your tires and car safety? Go to narpro.com and find the closest shop to your location.